Hey, what up to all my trailblazers out here? All my guys who like to go off-road, off the beaten path. I'm kind of excited because I'm doing a full restoration, slowly, of my 2001 Toyota 4Runner. And here she is. So far, I've done a couple things. Like I said, this is a slow restoration. I'm not rushing. I'm not trying to be da-da-da. I'm taking my time and pacing it out because I want to do it the right way as best as possible. Like I said, this is a 2001. This is no spring chicken here, you know? So, I know a lot of people are interested in changing their mufflers over, which is something that you should do anyway, because after all those years, I mean, come on, you're going to have holes, cracks, dents, dings, and bends, and rust, and all of that. That's definitely gonna hurt your restoration. So the best thing to do is just get it all new. So I didn't do that all the way, but pretty much. So I'm gonna get with one thing that I did so far. So what I did was I got all new catback going all the way down. I got new piping going all the way through to the back. And so what I did with this restoration is, to begin with, I started, because I had to get an emissions test. That's the main reason why I started this. And I knew my emissions was coming, right? So I said, well, I might as well do the real job and get the exhaust replaced. So I bought I bought a full catback exhaust, new piping, and then a Borla Muffler. And I know a lot of people are interested in how the Borla Muffler sounds, because some people don't want that deep growl. Some people do want the deep growl. I like the Borla system because it does give you a little bit of aggressiveness, a little loudness. You know, a lot of us guys, we like a little, you know what I'm saying? Put a little in it. So what I'm gonna do is give you an opportunity to listen to it yourself, so you don't have to buy something and then you're not satisfied with it. So this is your chance to hear how a Borla muffler sounds on the 2001 Toyota 4Runner. So I'm gonna get my helpful, trusty wife to rev it up. All right, guys. Slow rev, smooth. All right, tap on it. So guys, I gave you a full sound, but see, even when it's idle, it sounds pretty wicked, right? It has a nice deep growl on it. Sounds pretty aggressive. So like I said, I did the catback, I did new piping, and I got the catback from eBay. I'll link it in the description. All the parts that I got, and I got the Borla Muffler. I'll give you the I don't know off the top of my head right now because I'm kind of freestyling. But I'm gonna give you guys the part numbers and everything that fits your 4Runner 3rd gen situation. What I did leave as part of it was the back tailpipe. I didn't change that out. I just kept it how it was. That was good. It wasn't no issue. At the end of the day, if I ever have to change it, I mean, it's not a big deal. So I did a couple other things too, but I'm gonna say that for another video. We're gonna go step by step. Why not? I'm trying to get some YouTube money, man. Come on. So, yes, this is my 2001 Toyota 4Runner. And I'll give you a quick look of it. You know, it's all black. Black on black, blackity black, 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 blackity black, 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 black. And it is awesome. I love this thing, man. A lot of people don't appreciate the Toyotas, but I'm telling you, them things are winners. Excuse the glare, guys. I'm outside. What do you want me to do? Yeah, guys, so I have a few other plans, like getting it lifted and all that good stuff. But we're going to take it step by step. So right now, we got the emissions part done. We have the exhaust cool. And I'll let you know with the other things. But in the meantime, keep it rugged. Peace.